Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Topical Talks. Today we will show you how to join Roblox eBay Discord server. Before starting, make sure to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for more updates. So let's get started. So first of all, open your Discord and click on the plus icon to add a server. Then we click on join a server and type discord.gg/ five capital U 5 capital F W capital Y E capital D capital M capital K. Then click on join server and it will take to official Roblox eBay Discord server. That's how you can simply join Roblox eBay Discord server. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our channel Topical Talks and we'll see you in the next video.